girl. Lynx. Lily.
Get a better picture. Take it. Is she going to come out?
Oh, I'm doing a video.
Oh.
Where's Lynx? Hey, Lynx. Go get Lily. See if you can get her to move. There she comes. Come on, go with Daddy. Go with Daddy. Lily. Here they come.
She's all in the fence.
This is Daddy's pile of leaves that he made last night. Not for them to play in, but they're still having a ball. Look, you can't even see her. And Lynx is just attacking on her. Hey, what y'all doing to Daddy's pile? Oh my God, they're spread it out.